Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question, that is a GATE CSE 2000 question 49. Okay, yes. So let G be a undirected graph. Okay, so let us draw a graph guys first of all. At that time it will be easy, right? So A, B and C. Let us draw a simple graph with 3 nodes. Okay, yes. So this is an undirected graph, so there are no direction. Consider a depth first search traversal of G. Okay, so we are doing depth first search. So from A I can go to B or C. So assume that I went to C. Okay, and after that the only option is track back to A and go to B. Okay, so now we got the order A, B, C. Okay, so now I have done the depth first search for the particular graph G. Okay, so let T be the resultant depth first search. So this is nothing but a T. Okay, so let U be a vertex in G. Okay, so he's saying U be a vertex in G. Okay, so let us assume U as a C guys. So U equal to C. Okay, and let V be the first new unvisited vertex. Okay, so he is saying first new unvisited vertex is nothing but unvisiting vertex visited after visiting U in the traversal. Okay, so that will be B, right? Yes. So in our example, V will be the B. So basically here he is trying to say that, so before visiting a C, here what I took is U as C I took, right? So before visiting a C, okay, which vertex you did not visit, so that vertex you should select as V. So that's what he told guys. Okay, yes. So in the traversal, so which of the following statement is true? Okay, so he's asking which statement is true. Okay, so the first option is UV must be an edge in G. Okay, so he's saying there should be an edge in between them. So there is no guarantee, right? So here we are not having edge. So hence this option is absolutely wrong. The same issue with the second option also. So that is not mandatory, right? So there is no need of having edge. Okay, yes. Okay, so if U comma V is not an edge in G, then U is a leaf in the tree. Okay, so it could be true, right? Yes. So it could be true, but I'm not 100% sure about it. Okay, yes. Okay, because U is nothing but a C, right? So if I assume here there is a D, so even at that case you will get the same condition, right? Hence this is also wrong guys. So even for this you can take the same conditions, right? So at that the order will be A, C, D, B. So if I assume U as any vertex, I will assume C only. Why should I assume a D? So I'll assume C and I will assume a B because it is unvisited before this. Okay, yes. So for this statement will be wrong. Okay, so let us check the last statement. Okay, so if U comma V is not an edge, so there is no edge. Yes, this is correct. Then U and V must have the same parent. Okay, so that is true, right? Yes. So from this understanding, from simple graph, you can say that option D is the correct answer, guys. Yes. Okay, so let me just cross check the answer, guys. Yeah, option D is the correct answer. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this, right? Yes. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.